In a while. I'm excited to be making this video again. Like I said, I haven't made one in a while. Today also very busy day in the market. Obviously, news, everything that affected the whole story, etc., etc. But let's get straight into it. So EU, quickly gonna run through my trade that was taken on EU today. Um, yeah, obviously this one was held through the news. I did protect positions obviously on the personal. Other accounts I was out before the news. But let's dive into it. So obviously if I can put it like this at what time. So it was obviously okay, let's go to the hour. Okay. First let's what I'm gonna do is on the 4 hour, I don't wanna jump between time frames. I'm gonna mark out the POR that I had in mind, which was obviously this one, yeah. Okay. So that was obviously my POR. Let's keep that there. Now we can jump down. So obviously, as we can see, levels of external liquidity resting there. More levels obviously to the left, etc., etc. Now the moment I came to the market was somewhere around here. So let's do it like that, and I'm gonna jump down to my entry time frame, which is the 5 minute. So this is obviously when I came to the market, around 10ish, and I mean this is as clear as it can be. So like I said, we had the external level of liquidity that was one of our first targets, obviously, and then this POR being our final target. So here's market open. Let me just mark it. Here we go. Let's maybe put that just in red. So there's our market open, that candle. We had the break of structure. We had the pullback into structure. And obviously that's when the trade was taken. And boom. Oh goodness me. This is where the trade was taken. Like I said, that was our first target, and this was my last target. And I won't even lie to you guys, there is where it took me out. I can even show you the screenshot on my MT5. That is where the market took me out. Yeah, obviously previous daily highs was incorporated and used as another confluence. So quickly running through all the confluences was obviously the first one was buyers. We were bullish, targeting external levels of liquidity and trading into a void, filling the imbalance. Number two was a daily high being incorporated, as well, and then number three is obviously my high time frame being in sync with my daily buyers, and then my lower time frame obviously shifting as well, or not shifting but obviously in confluence with my high time frame buyers, and then obviously my last one is just my entry time frame, or my entry. And yeah, I will be honest with you, after this break of structure here, that's when I moved my position to break even, after this break of structure here. And that was it. Yeah, this is where news obviously happened half past 2, where I stay. Like I said, I was break even on my personal, and then obviously just let price ran a little bit more, into my take profit. But yeah, that was that for today. Nothing special that happened. If we can run through, obviously I've been targeting this level for, man, I can't remember how long, since up here somewhere. So for the last month we've been targeting this level, and obviously today it happened. Let's quickly run through, and now I can just have a look at the strategy as well, if maybe you forgot. So obviously what I like to do is just mark out the previous daily low, as well as so the week low and the candle low. So obviously where it closed. I don't really like when looking to trade bearish to go and mark at the highs. It has no significance to me. I don't want to be selling there. I want to be selling when there's momentum and the candle is flipping, if that makes sense. And then this one we can also incorporate, as well as that low, obviously. So the previous 2 days, or the 2 days prior, like I said, obviously this was our level. So this is obviously me just running through. This is the first time running through price action for the day on GU. But yeah, obviously on the 4 hour we saw that this minor break of structure happened, and this was yesterday, obviously. Okay, so this would have been our POR somewhere. Obviously we can incorporate that week high, but for me, if price, the reason I will not be looking for price to even go down further if I had to incorporate this whole thing is, for me, if price is going to take out this level of liquidity, obviously there's a lot of liquidity laying down there or laying up there, waiting to be taken out. So my prediction is that if price took out these highs, this bar would have been gone. So obviously that level there. Now I want to show you guys. Okay, so we obviously got the reaction from that level, and where did we see the momentum come from? Maybe this wasn't my top A setup. My top A setup being this setup with a retest and then continuing with our daily high, as we can see as we marked here, being in sync. But due to the momentum, we could have seen that obviously price closed below that level like that with a lot of momentum, and that could have been a top 2 entry with stops just above that one, and then obviously targeting this level here. Yeah, that's honestly quite a very nice entry as well. Like I said, mine was on EU, my focus today, which was this trade. I will share everything in Discord in a moment, with obviously my stops at that low, and that was it. So pretty straightforward day. It was nice seeing some momentum coming into the markets again. I think this whole week there hasn't been very nice setups, hence why I stayed patient. Yeah, but good end to the week. I probably won't even look to trade tomorrow. I'll have a look at the charts, mark my setups and what, but I will probably not be trading. But yeah, have a good one.